since I left my home in the hollow where I was born, where the cool fall nights make the wood smoke rise and the fox hunter blows his horn. I fell in love with a girl from the town. I thought that she would be true. Then I ran away to Charlottesville and worked in a sawmill or two. What have they done to the old home place? Why did they tear it down?